McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, no, am I in here? Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share.
I feel a copro. I bet to you. Na no nyamya don't tina. Wa ma pipa to ya enti. I feel shapa. Yes, so as if for life, I'm the room. I was for. I feel shapa. Afisa say na ho ye na me ho ye na McBrown's Kitchen ye tiapo ye nyini chen say afisa say na bedu kwasi ada bia no obi a chim ni TV a o hwe McBrown's Kitchen wan hwa won na sa na tia me mo bi bia fishia pa me da se show yi ye nya nu ba bia na so wagye atum nyame nhira enne de e ye sonko kra because e ye bronyo Bronyo, afia to ye bie. Na McBrown, me dam was sene dam with the domie, and nunte be a sign McBrown's Kitchen. Into McBrown's Kitchen, no, I just say, a diane ped, and they ye baby didi, and they have been no bronye diane. It's Koswana Shamami to say a baby. Mammy Fasida, Emma High Sense, everyday prices for everyday people, and a nice oil, the omega-3 sunflower oil, a wood jaswa, ubiaja too, and sana then. Royal Feast, Bronyai, o shed Diania Yabene na, would your own peddy yabena asin, and any bay fufu, my man cano crenchro, fufu noa, would you me no Royal Feast, na dia bono, ya what I shed ya debe my chief fufu, and sana. Tasty Tom, Mia Media, and ne Bronyai, ye Diane, for Tasty Tom Kakra wono, now I bet to Destron come. Nana McBrown said the Messia family who need ye. Mecha any mata de if you Nicoho, and ne obia me boni dimbia ko Instagram ko Facebook ubehuno, into far phone, ne ko says ya, Mahusi a dear. Nicoline GH, and a charming Mother Christmas Sano, Medina, and sana me makeup. Ube PNA de Shasha Aligina makeover. Me train ya machine come so dear. Impact Salon. And sana I won't say I bite me or fear dear, but me crew Dawson, ye bedidi, nyonyo GH, and me mawa dianian casawa bones say yeah. And that's how your kitchen, my sister, because ye di bronya. Say camera you call for manka etre a wo hu say a higher call. And sana me wiem so the air bright. Think mahogany. Wow, what is it? Think mahogany na ye deco yi. And sana La Palm Royal Beach Hotel. Sa McBrown's Kitchen ni bibi. And me be twa special soup. Na nyame nkwa na me pese me nkwa me gina kitchen na me ye aduane mam na me surprise mo but as a me doll do on into my shada afro obroni ba ko bi say o me ka me ho ye ntwa abrofo bronya nkwan amamuni me twa mo sesi aba.
Mama, we are coming home.
Coming home? Honey, isn't that your old school?
Prepare a feast perfect for all the ones you love with Royal Feast rice. Royal Feast, taste of togetherness.
Enitia bagana, you should go you down for the sun and sana musa. Enitia bagana, you should go you down for the sun and sana musa. What way you go for? What way you go for? What way you go for the sun and sana musa?
Defense. Mummy in Chadia, yes, and the Encadian Tia. High sense diabo, and your high sense bronya. Don't call me.
High sense free. High sense TV. Yeah, take this so.
Air condition, washing machine,
Gas cooker, home theater, Kiko phones, and a baby high sense showroom beyond. Mohudoti, Yatitiso, Yatitiso, 15th December, coming 15th January. Bora high sense showroom beyond. Na kwaje wodie, high sense damuase. Mo bronya chedieni. Eye high sense bronya. Don't call me. BPN afraid 0302 550000. High sense, everyday prices for everyday people. Wama busi amono. Obia pa de pa bebre.
I'm home.
Me dear, ade pa bia ye ma mabusia no. Me pe no bebre. Enu ti e ba na duane no ade a. Me use so tasty tom and rich tomato mix. Enya duane no de keke o. Enyane no bi ti say vitamins and fiber a ye ma nipadua no wo mu. When you nechi debut na me hwehwe.
More jollof.
Emra so say we super use enriched tasty tom, tomato mix of vitamins and fiber womu. Tasty tom, emediane yede, eyema also. McBrown's kitchen, ediane pede. Ghana for, ene die, ene ochinane na de chie die. Obia ntimi kan chem so mini akoko. E wom say de bia mo we, but this season you know, we ye den, ube mini no. Wa mfa akoko anye nkwan ya odi akoko obetwa stew ana meboa sa but ne me ne menua broni bi e ba betwa akoko nkwan special uni ma fine uni method na fine na de onim so obesua ne inti no me introduce me guest ya wa me mo ne din me pese e bo na nwom na wa hu nipa a wo ba. Hey. What's up? You came with banana? Yes.
Why are we brownie idea? So when you say you're very healthy.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
I like the shape of
I
give it to my monkey. Very happy.
Thank you, Mr. DJ. Wait there.
Thank you, Mr. DJ.
I need the only now. Wait there. I said I do no, Mr.
Pacho, we brownie idea.
Me brownie idea. Banana.
You're very healthy. Someone himself.
Hey, healthy ampa. Thank you. Mama fan chef fridge moi. And no. And the Debbie. Bronya.
Oh wow. I'll go for
apple
this
juice.
Wait.
Good.
Wait, apple. Where are they?
Berry.
Oh, me pay berry. Shut up, apple. That's it.
Hey, Debbie Togo. Cheers. Cheers. Oh, cheers.
To wealth, health, and prosperity.
Yes, and to a new year. Good health. And good fortune.
Amen.
What is he? Yeah, you mean?
Of course. Brim, real in making money.
And I can tell you, Papa. So, Bomo, I brought for me a new share. Obeka se bia mfiri kwada so ntimi nya broni kwada so is in the map of Australia so
south of Australia
south south there be akwa bayan ho yensa na ya ba say and my surprise you
hey we think you're fine
me patcho car
kitchen fine pa
car na me de nam sa no
moving kitchen wow
bibia bio na me ka sa me ba ha na ka sa me boa na
oh na me ka sa o di agro keke
na o ka sa me afa na me de chance bi be ba na makope
ai oh wow
be na bia si ba bia wa
kitchen ye fe
ai no na pina
oh
wow abusafo McBrown's kitchen dia munim say ye aduane na ye ba be no and na me special menu bi a me pese me ye mam na me say no me nko am ntumi nya ma me mpe obi na me nko sra na me nua mu bi ne say me de beto sister Debbie a me friend no say me mra fie na nya nkwan And say the atu amu inti no. Akokon kwan. Sa. Sister Debbie, ye wo da ben.
Saturday.
Ama. Oh, inti na say. Kiba kwa ira. Ana
Screw back.
Debbie, ye nim say ye be akokon kwan. Inti ye magana fo hu niema ye de ba be.
Ingredients no. Okay, inti ye wo akoko full one
ye me pa chaw enie say ya ne de ba be yan kwan no
e me say akoko we na oye exercise pa
o so abopa
oye
wabopa wa jeme
ye wo enchini wo ha
enchini
ye wo garlic blended one
yes
ye wo kakadru you know Australia so ye wo meko
ha
meko pa
okay
na ye wo Turkey berry,
which is consusa. Me pa cho me mancha abrofo ne o mu different kind. Me de ane de. Me a bilingual bruni. Me ka chi kabrofo. Ono ne de.
Me ka cottage.
Ufri he. Poland and
oh, David, me mami free Romania. But me papaya Santini.
Oh, papaya Santini. Deborah.
Owusu bonsu.
Wow. Ghana for someone was Santini papa. Ono Ghana jam me nam ka kwada so.
Tasty tom.
And a tasty tomato paste. And sana. Obi baby sasa na akokon kwan ya be ye hu carrot wa ha. Ye we tasty tom which is akokon kwan the head you be represent you. And yes our fresh because akokon kwan wo be hia ni.
It's fresh one.
And ye wo ye Jane. And they were green pepper. And they were akoko mesa. Meboa.
Basil leaves.
And sana, where are they?
Simon Peters.
Where is Salmon? No Salmon. They're from Simon was school. I won't crank here. And sana Fufu so dear. And you're brony there. And you're banchy, anybody. But now so the shrimp seasoning.
Shrimp seasoning.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. It's Ghana for. And the young one, wow, she said the green pepper and the carrot now representing it means that it's different from the usual. Debbie, it won't say you agree see a young one, but we'll start it. So the Ghana for Casa my shadow and person young one. Into we'll start here. Na me mabim.
Okay.
What you say?
Into
which you name there? Hey, sorry, where are you?
Into we start here boil chicken no akoko no. Into me mama here we.
Ube sensei. We into me fa akoko no si jaso. All right. Okay, but then say ye be wi ntem so nti no. Ye mfa ye konsusu am so. No, why so bon kakra no ho di. Ye mfa no si jaso.
Okay.
Wa sa wudwa we mi bi an ma be ye we.
Okay.
All right then. On your mask get said, let's go.
Where are your pans? Here, your beautiful pans.
Sure.
And pots.
And I try na kai papa krom na kachi.
Oh.
Kai.
Me try pa.
Kai de na kai papa free.
Pechi number 2.
Pechi number 2. Kumase kwantie ya.
Ai.
Debi we ni tiri we ni. Nti e kwansu sa no di kai akọ. Ejazi ahohoro ho kama. Ma share nsuo no bebre because nsuo no ye ade aka no. Eno ana ye de ye nkwan. Okay. Ena banche no so nsuo no sugya so nti no. Ye be kata so wa sa me dwawe me yi blender aba. Na ye blend ye we no. Now, nkwan ne be koja so. Elie. Nkwan no me di kind de akokọ na ya hohoro ho no.
Na ya twitwa
so. Ya twitwa dada no. Esija so. There be say ka me ye na o ma me rap because they say
and me rap no kra me ka say me good chef but who say my break akra wa. Wow. Okay, so yeah, Mamimbo Ghana jollof new ma.
Obe ma me Ghana jollof. Ma me Ghana jollof.
Sister Derby, but today call me chef. When I cook the soup for you, there'll be nothing left.
Okay.
Finger licking with chicken bones cracking lips smacking, locking my door. You will come asking for more. Addicted to my emu coco until you get poor. Finger licking with chicken. Chicken bones cracking lips smacking.
Now then motivate you mouth.
Oh, now. Debia said you were Ghana jollof wars. You were jollof wars was social media. Na Nigeria for ne Ghana for ne Senegalese for. We are always arguing say Baku ye better.
Debbie, my blender needs to ne.
Okay.
You, okay. My blender needs to ne blended. The onions and whilst I do the
okay.
Okay.
Inti because of such jollof wars, there be a omo ye debate say, Ghana jollof ye better na Nigeria jollof ye better. Na girl back your friend the Princess Vitara or ye Nyumbi Nigerian something. Now it's better than Ghana something. Inti. Into me body or her because any cooking ingredients. Inspire me. And then I am motivating me.
Okay. Una be Fufu.
Oh, me wa maso kakra. Nsa ka one wo ha. Ka ba ko.
Una be. Ghana for Samuya. Debi de broni. Ono no.
Me mama ye broni nti me nim too many from Ghana. Local. Oh, me nim Ghana things but say me ye debi na oye mama. Okay. Oya mama nti.
Nti I say Fufu.
Na u call kitchen no kra on pese obegina ho.
Ade.
Pese on nkwa na oye.
O mama ma mo ye say.
Ye miensa.
Mo ye 3. Why?
Emmanuel, aka One Love, the Kubolo, and our Francis.
Obaba kope. Anyway.
But me papa were other children. Into me was sister Bako.
Oh, okay.
Every me papa side. Now me were 2 other brothers.
Okay.
In total, we are 6. In total, we are 6.
Nigeria.
Okay.
I'm a second. Into no Ghana for some here. And I brought for me in the kitchen. Yeah, what? Fufu. And then quine. Which is akoko.
Akoko quine.
There be Fabra and you on the door of Kakana. Okay, you're saying good. Okay. All right, it's Sabre, yeah, young quine who are Juma. Yeah. Quite Susana, yeah, no one. Into quine on our fair, Edruso.
Green pepper no back
green pepper crazy
and a half
crazy yeah the spicy nam no akoko na bandru baby a so mu ya light dodo omu ya too light
omu call gym dodo omu ya exercise
omu train too much
omu train too much
jene no fa say
back pepper and yeah use it too
baby yeah the way back to
okay different one
amano okay manusio kakra bi
okay
I am blend mama mama.
Oh, okay. Just cup.
Yeah.
Hey, McBrown's kitchen mag.
Yeah, media.
Okay, and take mag back home.
Mag back.
Okay.
Okay. Into no, and the carrot never found you now.
Oh, okay.
Carrot.
So where a special
soup and a young quino a Dawson, you know. Ghana for more I be a mufu say McBrown. Ebi a metwem anim ana say bi a me TV so na da me ye no. Me ho ohene wo kitchen pa. Me ho ohene pa. Me ye aduane mi sa mensa. Wo de ebisa no. Mi sa mensa be ka cho say amade. Wo to kwadura no yi ni mirika. Me aduane de wo boa wo be di adi bio. Sa na tie. Ubedia dibio enam say yenyusu nyadoane ntino carrot no fa no more depending on enkwan no
depending on taste na
open no ntino yeah garlic a little green pepper and a jene and a maybe blending is a
high sense blender
yes yeah we and one no aya man fan two is good. Baby,
yes.
I think so the way be fetches you abrem.
Okay, pink one no.
Pink one.
Okay.
Me pacho camera no hwem no hwe akoko no. E na me di gu ho no. Fine. Fancy baby bunsio kakra ma me. Mu ma me na me fa ro.
Yo.
Ka ho kakra ye.
Right now.
E be di akoko nkwan. Ghana for some musu ayan nkwan na ye de. Wan su e be hamba je hufuru mu a. Ka say yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It's Saturday, no. Yeah, carrot, ne, ye way na, ye ginger, and ye green pepper kakra na gu ho. Yeah, the garlic. Any yeah, so pemekupa.
Me pemekupa.
Pa. It's if I'm a cook as I say me pemekupa.
Me pemekupa.
Open garlic baby.
Debbie. Normal amount.
Okay, whatever. Me for 2.
Okay.
I go come find a special day like this. No, we the name baby kakra efran. Now, because of pemekupa, you know, me dey ginger and more e be good.
Ginger
yeah?
me pe.
And as I say, fufu no so ehu eni so nti ye na obewo fufu no
yo
obewo
so we train me
enkola na nsa so mamu amon kana mahu me de menchine kakra egum enchine de mpacho ni pi no enye nti wudi nchine adi nchine pa obeka so na me ka nchine wansem da bi me ka nchine wansem. Now this akoko nkwan and I'm say no a ye kwa susu anu nkwan ya blendi we ni ti no ye de bibia e che ye nam ne ho pe bibia you say you want me
we dey be hot pan
and you want so pe me ko
yi looking hot pan
me jabi okay what do there be any you
we mixing ana we mixing
ya wo be no
we mixing
me mo mix dodo and na ye tasty tom say je no what take a crab egum afa ya kokko mesa no
ana
afran what ya mehwe akokko mesa na ha na hia pa akokko mesa fatum na wa de tum wi a obeti cent no ana why there be manenye full kakra
okay
yeah good fa kakra bi ka ho man
okay yes ma
yes na ye de tomato no
fresh one
atutum ye be fa miensa yen kwan na ya ye no de aka ye nsuo but before that na ye be say yes spices na de agu ho no e fa ho me tu fa ho ansa na ye de nsuo na ye wie kwan no enya afi na wo ba be ha ho ye de aka say ye be blend corn susa no ne ade ye jene any tomato na de agum no so ebina na ya blend agum so ye pekra no a ye betimi atwa ehwi fa so na ne ya blend any corn susa no nyina na akomo at once ye wie ye nkwan nya afi na abenu awe we akofa we abe yesi no short process kran so any high sense blender na mana ye short inti dabi we ye betete ashe fridge ni we ye be use to be ashe fridge ye fancy in the meantime sasabra wonyini way everyone na wonyini dabi
37 where did they born me?
Where did you grow up?
Oh, Accra.
Accra, Himfa.
Where did you grow up? I thought where did they born me?
Debbie.
Oh, I grew up in Accra.
Accra. Wow. I was like, yeah, kitchen chicken, no, yeah, you subio into a beko fridge in the back. Yeah, the tray more akake. And now ye bibia or ha. The be here, Papa she toika crabby. Thinking says, we no aunt 3 more. Mammy being coming.
Oh, okay.
We bomidin mammy.
Bomidin mammy.
Mammy being coming.
That's ramete.
Eish,
yeah.
But I'm for crabby.
Anna later. Now you better drop Anna.
No, okay. On fanuni. Into your weird bibia, there before your fridge.
Yes, ma'am.
Na yen fire shrimp season no kakra bi ngu ho. Ye pese ye clear ye hanom preko. Nti shrimp season no kakra bi.
Yeah.
For how you feeling our soup? Who ne say anya bad. McBrown's kitchen aduane pa ede. Say ye salmon no ye dia choke ha. Akase ye be blend 1 2. Na egum na yen kwan na ye ready. Ye wadro no we peja bra ye fan che Ghana fo. Peja wadro no bra.
Hey, I say me far away, mom. I say me far stick, mom.
Yeah, what do you into no? And ya woman ye, Fantuni say. And a woman ye, ya kitchen, I have boy a home. Ya boy who party and them. Mr. DJ, who bet me on my sister Debbie Nyumbako. Kiko,
Kiko.
Hey. Let's go.
It's me, Sister Debbie. You asked for a new song, it's ready. Why you open your mouth, it's your jaw heavy. Utilize the dance floor, next steady. Always happy yourself, hey. Just free your mind, clear the confusion.
Hey. Hold on. Hold on, pull
up, rewind. Yeah. Okay, pull up.
Mr. DJ, now the other medical boy, you know.
Some banana, and too risky.
Too risky.
DJ.
No, man, them.
Too risky. Poof, poof, be the anthem. I feel make it rain on them. Before I put the blame on them.
Mr. DJ, I'm not too risky. One cali point, too risky, or who's risky? Who is she? No, medical what to say?
Oh, Nihuye.
They say, I want to say that we did do. Oh, we did don't know. I know if your mama to know.
Normal.
You're good. Although the air do. We never be a deal. If you know when you're right person, to account, yes, here. And that's share. I fear papa better ye. Into my many papa say what yes, dear, and no name here. A do may say, no other when you're me as because no one shall say you now. And that's what yes, me what. They kind of can English, my work and say.
You said if you are not in a relationship, sometimes you feel like it's not true, there's no true love. Or if it's not going well, you think that there's no true love. But true love exists. Yes. And you shouldn't worry. The right time will come and you will find the right person. Yes. And it's all about understanding each other, being partners and supporting each other. Yes.
And also you have to thank God because at the end of the day, you are alive. And the second you go to Mukranoa.
Jolly
you are better than the dead man.
No money cry, jolly they go.
Sharing na kaho. Na dem si me ni broni be ya akoko nkwai. Yeah, meto me penze. All right. The who fra wo betumi e dia fra anase ehu ya betumi de wa de egum. Ehu ya so betumi si baby. Amanayo. Kwansusu ano emu ahode no nyina twa begu nsuo no. Nti no half na gu nsuo nti wo hwe egu a wa hwe half egu.
Nutrients in
sanity. We say Nana, what is your secret? What share? We are careful, dear media. We are very careful. Into no, let me give me small water. Fetch small water.
Hey, media, you
coffee. Okay. We be blending of pepper.
Okay. Wait, me to say, it was vitamin K, it was iron. Until you're good for blood.
Where the moja actually I'm not encouraging coffee when so
very healthy.
I feel bibiana yam fan kwabon. Sorry. You bet try na yen tomatoes no. Any ye enkwan no ehu wi a near the afra near blending. Na come someone dey be come later cry. Wow. McBrown's kitchen. Ediane ped day. Hey, me dem ni mediane no. Tina me imagine say let me come and join my obroni. No so far Romanian style metachi. But na ye be sister Debbie, I be kan fufu no de ntia me ba ofia. Me nsa ntino. Unsa me ntumi nkan fufu. Na mpese me hu Ghana for so hu se obetu. Hey, say na be no.
I try. My last met you, amazing.
Whoa!
It's smelling so good.
Akoko mesano. Akoko mesano bro for the info they say. Basil.
Turkey. Hey, wait, and
akoko mesano
leaf.
Basil leaves. And away turkey berry.
Wait, when I would try you.
Turkey berry. Me to say my bank kitchen say. Sure, me sure brofo.
Na me nim brofo.
McBrown's kitchen say ingredients be am Korean brofo which are salmon man brofo din. And run salmon. Inti ya hwa ya nkwan no sa. Whoa. Wow. Wow. Smells good. But Debbie uni mama ade no ho. Mama rubber we bi wa. Debbie wait.
Oh. Wait.
Ya paper so ho de me be ya me ba ha. Ma clean bibia hunti no. Wow. Mama sa plain bowl nesi wechi no. Plain bowl nesi wechi no.
Transparent bowl.
Transparent bowl.
I hope standing so on away.
Stand no. Yi be share diane no mama.
Okay.
Be share mama. You wait me.
Which one?
Share means take remove it from fire. Pour the water there.
Rubber.
Pour the water there. And then open and share go.
Okay, let me switch this off first. I think it's this one. Yes. Don't worry. Be happy.
All right.
Moving.
Into a tomato no. And ye Jane no. Na ye dia ka kwa nsusu ano ho. Na ya blend. Kama. Whilst nam no so second. But my men can hear say enchi no any baby am de go ho no e wo na kwan mu a. Enchi no ye. Eye pa auntie. Ye be blend. I mean pour into cry because it's hot. Because I am hot, you know.
Yo. Auntie, who babe blend way?
Me be blend way ni na mana yo. Akom preko. Auntie she so ni free home. She ni na free home. Ka ho na na be ma banche na sonson. Yeah, McBrown. Ka ho she bibia. She so ni na ka ho. Ka ho ne be wa mame. Asho.
Oh, Debbie. Shishimi kakra but
into the say young quine na yeguso no sabre ya blended bia last blending this and quine save you energy on blended near my p 2 times per blendiana nyam ye na wa hwe bia gum ya ready oh into buhruwe Debbie sense you. Mami nsio. Yem kwan no. Ye hwe ye fufu edie. Nsio ba ko wa ha mami. Wan kan ho a. Wa ye ho bone. Eno nye spec juetu. Nti huhuru wenum.
Yo.
Nti sabre edie. Enkwan no wa che kama. Afei na ye de ye kwan susa. Ye entos ye Jane na ye blend ye no egu ya kata so na ya concentrate wo fufu no so until by the time the fufu is about mixing and kwan no na abene anesa but the last thing e be come so ya huhuru kama akora we waso mebuo ama debora
Mami patch
ama debora
Deborial
until last thing ye salmon no ebe gum na sa spice no keke enam no ekoko ho na se akoho a keke ti the salmon
nkwan no looking good pa
oh yes ye wi nkwan na no ye bronya nkwan na na isuo no enti sabre gusuafo ye wo fufuo na na se ye nko commercial break ye nye dey ye nsete ya pansa na yakọ baby for mama for my children for mama okay ka ho habeti ya set up ye nko a ka ho fansuo si nchen ka ho me nam de be kwa ha sensuo bra ebusuafo ye wi aduane no ye ko ntwa ho aba se sia some kitchen no edaho kama ye kwa no sabre kikoliko brabajo bajo want ka ho enso no wan samba
oh
kasa enso bra wa horo wa mana
ma e wo ha hwe
bajo wo fufu bajo want
oh
Elsa McBrown's kitchen. Ediane unim na de simi saso djuma no wedi.
Pacha we here say DJ no
DJ manyom kwa ya gowo. Ewurade wakume. Wo wonte? Wo
hey.
Bye. Mama. Oh, man. I'm going to see nobody.
Mama, we are coming home.
Coming home? Honey, isn't that your old school?
Prepare a feast perfect for all the ones you love with Royal Feast Rice. Royal Feast, taste of togetherness.
Enigia Bagana, Enigia Bagana, you should call you down for the sun and Sana Musa. Enigia Bagana, Enigia Bagana, you should call you down for the sun and Sana Musa. What way you go for? What way you go for? What way you go for the sun and Sana Musa?
Me na me ye win. Me na me defense. Mummy in Chadia, your son and Caddy and Tiawa. High says Diabo, and your high says Bronya. Don't call me.
I said free. I said TV. Yeah, take the show.
Air condition, washing machine,
Gas cooker, home theater, kick-off phones, and if you be a high sense showroom beyond Mohudoti, Yatitiso, effective 15th December, coming 15th January. Bora high sense showroom beyond, not quite a wood yet. High sense Damoise, Mubronya Chedini, and your high sense Bronya, don't call me. BPN Afraid 0302 550000. High sense, everyday prices for everyday people.
Adanche, Ibiampo, Adanche, Ibiampo.
What was your mono? Oh, Pia Pad Pabri.
I'm home.
Me dear, at the pepia yema mebusiano, me peno bebre. And nunti abane diane no adia. Me use so tasty tom and rich tomato mix. And ya diane no dekekyo. And yani no bit is a vitamins and a fiber. A yemeni pediano womu. When you nechi dear biona meshe.
More jollof.
Emra so say usube use and rich tasty tom. Tomato mix of vitamins and fiber womu. Tasty tom. Emediane yede. Yema also. McBrown's kitchen. Ediane pede. Ane afishiapa. Enuntini aye bronya ediane. Abrafu mienu. Na wo start na do no.
Oh.
Too risky stuff, and I do.
I'm gonna say, yes, I am to say. Please, I chew my fufu.
You chew your fufu.
Is it allowed in McBrown's kitchen?
Yes, it is allowed.
Oh, okay,
yes.
we thank God. We thank God.
McBrown's kitchen, dear. Someone wouldn't that. You did ye, and now me, I'm a partner. Obel Buamino, one winning Wofi Romania into a no safe fufu no.
Pachoni Ghana.
Romania and Ghana. The Ghana and the Bemus understand how to go. That's what because of when you're Ghana.
I am pa.
McBrown's kitchen at the ped. Madame Abois say Royal Feast, nice oil, tasty tom and a tasty pasta. Tasty tom pasta. And a high sense everyday prices for everyday people. Afishiapa, yenina mama afishiapa. But that be only Fufu na ready e ba be didi. Now, my sponsors say mabubo mudi. They appreciate your presence in my kitchen. They appreciate say ma ho kwan say yemfa ye kai e me raufie ye me wo fufu. Na ye me special soup krama Ghana for. Inti yeso wa achede fefefe bi e pese de ma.
Wow.
Oh yeah. Never try man them.
Woo, too risky.
Fufu be the anthem.
Right now on them.
Nice.
Not 1, 2.
Oh yeah, 2.
Or is it 2 for camera?
2 for you.
Or for me?
For you. All for you.
1 for here, 1 for there.
Wow,
thank you.
omega-3
this is so nice. Nice oil, so nice.
And then more on the way into no.
Oh wow, there's more.
Royal.
Hey. This has to carry it on my head.
Oh.
Wow.
Bronya me sha se me ka say wundi fufu a yen kwan wo ye bia per Royal Feast na no a na fa nice oil boss ye fa jenica crack so na betse emo no ne anwa no cent no ye pa.
Wow.
Yeah.
All for me.
All for you.
You're
but
not going
more
to
to come.
One. You're not going to remove
more
one.
to come.
Hey.
More to come.
What a wow.
Ansana. Tasty talk. Oh yes.
Wait a minute, Ghana jollof.
Obey Ghana jollof.
Ghana
Mama
jollof.
Mama Mama tasty tom. And then
Hey, spaghetti.
Spaghetti soup.
And your friend is spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much.
Ansana Debbie.
Hey.
2 more to go.
Wow.
2 more to go.
Damn.
Now, what you
All this.
Hey, high sense chopper. Aye. Said ya who sauce kind man na usro no. What do?
I know the fear. Una usro.
Yeah, because I know nam. You know it's sharp.
Very sharp.
Very sharp,
thank you.
know.
Oh, wow.
Hey, we so yeah,
This is amazing.
This is amazing.
Thank you so much.
Pasi ha mamia. Na menya magic ba kon
This is a big surprise.
I feel very
Japan.
Na McBrown's.
I never expected it. I love this man.
Yes.
McBrown's kitchen man.
And I'm a size in mama medium.
Hey,
you
sure any extra small.
Debbie.
Me medium. Very comfortable.
Very comfortable.
Oh, thank you so
Debbie,
much.
Thank
you so much.
Yes. After
Okay.
Yeah, Betty Fufu. Yeah, Betty Fufu. Yes. Yeah, Betty Yakukon Quine. Wow. Wow. Yeah, Cron. Open yours.
Yes, Nana.
Where's the Naki Hian Kruma? Udi Kruma. Ah, no, Sanka. Udi Jana Dim Kruma come home. I was for Yandia Cron.
Oh, me pe wingu. What for wingu?
Yes. What bola ka wo ko mi kapa.
Ooh.
Abonte didie de unim say. Dan ya once na kakra betare home.
Normal.
We also sa won kwan.
That one, ebe my flavor ampo.
Sa.
Normal.
I was for say na wo fie. Na wa yon kwan wi amede a chew. Ba ochina bomodi a na ye nkwan bi. E ba chew didi ye ma e wate. Na obi kan ye request ka na oton kwankora enye ye. Nti no ye hwe ya ho odin mu ye pa. Nti ye ne ye kro no David. On your marks. Get set.
Blessed. Amen.
Amen.
Let me see how you're holding your own before.
Cha. O katini say. No way.
Where the meaning?
No, someone no abomu tokro.
Hey. Wow. Me 30 years on this earth. Na meaning say.
No man different.
Bebo tokro inside.
Say dem me hipa. For the odia, you say.
When you say?
Chauti kakra. Wow, Debbie. Now, you're so cool university.
Patron.
So, where they?
Me publishing studies. Me university work here university.
Kumasi.
Kumasi.
And I would one find you my day to me.
Oh, say publishing. Me throw me everything. Me press releases. Me manage my social media account. Na publishing. Online publishing.
And two school so they be yes on kwan with man.
Oh, since that time now. My plan say me entertainment, but since childhood me entertainment, me modeling, me sanya, my say me hobby, me passion. But my plan say me be music and now me say me
model.
There be any model na say me graphic design, me graphic designer and so. But
when your computer say I bet me at the video or so.
Aye. Ni na me to me use Photoshop, Illustrator ni na. But because
you don't work for anybody.
Debbie. I don't work for anybody. I work for myself. Yeah.
And mean I'm do school. But does it pay?
Oh, it pays. And then you are free. You are free to do your own thing at your own time. That's what. And then I hear entrepreneurship. Yeah. Because I always say ube to me are depending on obi. But sometimes ube to me are ojuma ama obi, but maybe contracts. Obi are contracting, obi are
we are.
We are free. Ube say otu kwanya. You don't have to wait for anybody.
Until you have now decided to obey you.
2012.
And then brother Tonyo until also person Tonyo man.
Oh, there be omu catch me say oh mintunyo because Not 2007, 2008. Now me to London. Now me my master's degree wo. Now there be a one love oba for abeye show.
We are masters in the art.
Also publishing. Me
Also
graphic
publishing.
design, printing. Sani ama web design.
Okay.
Sani ama.
Okay.
That yeah. So because of that, there be an me backup singing a man over London because those times now only official band.
Okay.
Our band no cry. They were
Before
not
fucking
flying.
boys.
Before
Show me a fucking boys.
before the FOKM boys. That time they were not even yet FOKM boys.
Now them some kind of fucking boys.
Eye fucking. Na me near sure say me to me account her, but eye normal eye tree word.
Oh, we don't
word,
mean it. Say Ghana for her kind of kind of.
You're fucking no, you're different.
You go on my when you want to fucking next who did in Panata. FOK boys.
But
Definitely.
tree cry, oh ka fucking it's like we are crazy, we are fan, we are different. My brother, we are fucking we are different. It means that we are extraordinary. But say we are TV, na me near sure because because of that, I must say, I know how to sing. It's me because you know ebe boy.
And now they are here. No. So unko awon yom say.
Uncle Obama, Little Light, Baller. Hey, me very few Baller cry.
Now so when you be able to need that to be
Ghana Baller. Ghana Sampanana. That one is with medical.
Yeah.
And then my new one is Never Leave You.
The is that every oh dear bro fufu when it go. Fufu would you also to sound way chi.
Say okay.
Would you fufu no to sound way and I say when you are so big fufu.
Okay. Lord have mercy.
Say akoko ne
wings.
Debbie, before you go, your last word, you will bring your mom. And then I'll be catching Ghana for fans. What the fuck? Mix it, tree and crying. Bro, I'll say out to be a fafra.
F1, Ablajo.
Excuse me.
Okay, me person me catch fans, no say, and our viewers and our loved ones outside, fans of Nana McBrown's Kitchen and so on and so forth. Say, area say ha, say, ube to me abua obia. Say, oh yeah. The best thing is to always be kind because at the end of the day, we are not taking material things with us. So try as much as possible, say, ube have a positive impact on somebody's life, and the little that you can, just try and be good.
Yeah, papa.
Yeah, papa.
Yes, yeah, papa.
Yeah, papa.
I feel so download this Sister Debbie Nyum. What I say? Let's camera. Download the way.
Latest one, Never Leave You. Oh, internet. Google SoundCloud, YouTube, iTunes.
It was for Madam Maria, dear. Na your bronya. Ain't no. My room is so quick. I was for Mo chef McBrown's Kitchen. In fiti a sebe pim sabre ya. Minim sa woni age. Ana minim sa wasua bibi so afrim. Yan kwan ya the carrot, consusa, green pepper kakra, ginger, garlic, meko, jene, ena de
paposhito.
Ena de ye. Normal fufu no na papa jo Royal Feast. Me da se pass McBrown's Kitchen and ne bronya day wo hwema me. Nyame hiraw na ye me mpaye ne se erade ebe ma nakakra aka ye nim. Ame hu 2018. Obebo ye nyina ye ho ban. Na ye hu 2018. Na ye ram na ode emu nhira nyina ye den. Adom ye. Woni bibi me da maboafo ase. Me da wase. Ye be se hia. But answer no. High Sense, Royal Feast, 9C oil, omega-3 sunflower, and sana tasty tom tomato mix, and no tasty tom spaghetti and a pasta. My whole fair net me the pure TV see. Me turn you for Impact. Oh my God, Impact ayana come simple. And I'm a new Alegina makeover. And I say Everama. Aligina nini akitwa na Everama ntino mienu na eye me ho adwuma Ai, inti enebro nyan ne ekoso bia opese otiesie ho ahwehwe o machi akwan. Ansana nyonyo eye aduane a wo tin kasa wadi aduane. Wo ye party, wo ye wedding. Program be na wo ye. Me say me abofo nyina wo social media, Instagram titru. Inti me kan ya anu agbo me kan ya wo be hu omu nyina. Nyonyo GH oye aduane ankasa. Onene o my me crew. Oh, me crew mom because I need them me fix me home. Ansana La Palm Royal Beach Hotel. La Palm Royal Beach Hotel. You can't La Palm unim dada asumdue fee. Baby a while between did you bet me and doubt between your meetings. I mean 1 hour, 2 hours wait me I call relax kakra. La Palm Royal Beach Hotel. And now show me deco ya. Me corner Christmas level because ye di bronya. I think mahogany. Think mahogany. Jenny mahogany. Think mahogany. Aye, omuna bed decoration dear. Omu yard dear ankasa. Me pa chosa na unam kroma ba una na McBrown. Me billboards. Aye McBrown's kitchen. A billboard. Aye apple pie publicity for and ye mame. Omu hacho. Omu ye branding, printing. She show mu social media, Facebook, Instagram. No mu me we juma ma. Minti. Ombejo kakrebi. Obi amaboni din bia wo ne ye deal ase na ma say fa wono no until so on my discount me pa chopi matade free Nicolin GH Nico aha we twa me manda Christmas kama e wusuafo e dia bio na menka e ya sedan ko a onyame hira so hwe McBrown's kitchen na McBrown Empress McBrown's kitchen e wo Instagram Facebook Empress na McBrown me amini I am Mama McBrown you be share na what you said Mr. DJ listen yeah baba boy last track hey Debbie Sibra checking for the last checking for that yo Mr. DJ now
Hey.
Bobby D mommy your friend is saying
McBrown.
Debbie
Brim. Please the dance. Hey. That's a too risky dance. Hey.
Never try mind. Hey. Never show.
McBrown's kitchen, McBrown's kitchen, McBrown's kitchen, McBrown's kitchen, yet to cano, get it bow, so when you know, no am I in here, yet to cano, get it bow, so when you yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.